welcome back to my channel, and today I'm finally giving you guys a tour of the living room, kitchen, and the dining room. It's all one big open concept, so that's why I'm showing it to you all together. So before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe so that you will not miss any of my home decor videos or updates on what we have going on. So first, you guys had asked me a lot of questions about how I came up with my color scheme. So I kind of decided that I liked this furniture set first. That was the first thing that I picked out, and everything else sort of fell in place. So I picked out my furniture first. My husband and I went to Rooms to Go, and I've showed you guys that in another video, but I'll definitely link it in so you guys can check that out as well. And I fell in love with this couch, but as the time progressed and moved on, I got a little bit nervous, and it was like, after seeing the floors in the home, I wanted to switch to the gray set because I thought that maybe it wouldn't match. I was like, oh my God, it's not gonna go with our floors. I think we should change it. I'm pretty sure that the guy at the furniture store was like, yeah, I've had enough. Don't come back and change your mind anymore. We probably changed our order 3 to 4 times before going back to your original thought, which was the reason why I fell in love with this furniture is because it captures everything about me and my personality. If you know me, you know my personality is very bold and out there. So, of course, my furniture had to match my personality. I know a lot of people like to match or get a feel of the home, and then that also determines how they will choose to decorate their home. But I'm kind of the opposite. I like to actually decorate my home to suit me and my personality. So you guys are gonna see a lot of glitz, a lot of glam, and a couple modern pieces. My husband's style is definitely modern. If he could be a minimalist, I think he would be, but with the fact that he married me, I don't think he can be, because I just like anything that sparkles or shines or grabs my attention, and I just go for it. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the tour. So again, guys, if you guys leave me a comment, if you don't mind, guys, leave me a comment down below and let me know what part of this particular tour you like the most and why. So we are going to start with the living room, which is my favorite part of the house. And I got this living room set from Rooms to Go, and it spoke to me when I first saw it. It was like, girl, it's sparkling, it is a neutral tone, and nudes are now in. So the name of the collection is the Chelsea, and it's a part of the Cindy Crawford collection at Rooms to Go, and it came as a 5-piece. So I bought the couch, the love seat, and the 2 end tables, and the coffee table. Now, the coffee table is marble, and you'll notice that I was okay with mixing the metals, because people usually say do not mix gold with silver, but I decided to do it anyway because, you know, it's just me, and I'm amazing, and I don't care what other people say. It's my style, my taste, my home, and I'll buy it if I want to. So the next thing that I want you to look at is the accent chair. The accent chair did not come a part of the 5-piece for the Cindy Crawford beige. This is also, I didn't know if I mentioned this or not, but this is the beige collection. They also have it in gray. And funny story is, my husband and I got into an argument because he wanted to get the gray one. He thought the gray one looked better. I thought the taupe looked better, and you see who won. So next I want you to look at the curtains. Notice that my curtains go all the way up to the top. The reason I did that is because it gives it more of a grand look. You want your room to feel bigger than what it really is. And when people walk into your home, the first thing that they will notice is your curtains, because they are above eye level. I bought these curtains from JCPenney, and they're from the JCPenney Home Collection. I believe the color is also taupe. That's why I chose it. And I like the little reflecting gold that's in the curtains, just like the rug I'm going to show you next. Now, this rug is also from Rooms to Go, and I believe it's $4.49 on their website now, and it's called the Sparkle Beige Rug. I couldn't leave it because, again, it glitters. It goes home with me. Now let's take a look at this painting that I purchased. This painting is from Kirkland's, and notice that you'll know how to match things and put things together. Number one, it has glitter in it. The second part is that it has a little bit of taupe, which is the color of the couch, and a little bit of elements of blue or green, almost teal. And I'm going to show you how it ties into the next painting over here. So, come on. Now, this painting is also from Kirkland's, and I like this one, and I chose this one first because my last home had teal in it, and I wanted to give like a simple, subtle hints of teal. This one has way more glitter, and that's why I said this painting had to come home. I didn't care how much it cost. This one wasn't on sale, but I think I had a coupon for 25% off, and that's one thing that I do like about Kirkland's is that they always have a sale. Now, I know that you guys are super used to going into Kirkland's, and I believe Kirkland has that whole Chip and Joanna theme, you know, that whole farmhouse style. But they do have other types of pieces that can be incorporated with any type of style that you have. So we're gonna go ahead and move on over here to the dining room. Now, you know that it is Thanksgiving, you know, time to spend with your family, with your friends, with loved ones, and I chose this particular dining room set because the middle portion of the table can be removed and it can be pushed in just for my small family when family is not in town. Another great detail about this is that it's also taupe, okay, but a different shade. Taupe can come in 2 different shades. It is almost the same color as my couch, and I feel like it is in the same family as the couch. And the beading around the chairs, also has the same type of beading that is in the living room set that you just saw. So the fact that I went to Ashley Furniture Home Store and I was able to find this and say, hey, I think it will match well with the current, you know, furniture set that I chose. Also, it comes with bar stools that look exactly like it. So, and it's got that really nice bar stool height, and it blends very well with the living room. You notice how I like to do everything and have it all come together. It's very important for you to pick colors that are in the same family. They don't have to match necessarily, but as long as they're in the same family, they will look great in your home. The last important detail was I didn't mention the name of it is the Roanoke. So I'm definitely going to leave everything listed below. But again, I got this from the Ashley Furniture Home Store, and it's the Roanoke section, 5-piece section, if you guys wanted to go ahead and get it for yourself. So we're going to move into the final part of the home, which is the heart of the home, is the kitchen. Now, I'm going to just name some stores that are going to be your best friend if you are looking to redo your home without breaking the bank. Now, I went to the at-home store, and that's where the majority of the stuff came from. Any type of knickknacks that I want, I always go to the at-home store. Now, my family has to function, you know, so when I saw the canisters are so cute, and they're also in. And you also have to know, as I moved from the living room to the dining room, you notice that everything in my kitchen is white. I wanted to do all white everything, but I have kids and kids get things dirty, so I couldn't do white cabinetry. I just chose with the builder to do the backsplash whites and have white elements in my countertops. So anyway, I got these from TJ Maxx home goods store. White. It can be white or it can be off-white. It doesn't matter, because again, it all will blend together. I got rid of my old fruit bowls and traded them in for also some nice ceramic white bowls. Also, everything, you notice when I do small little details, even this plug-in is white. Okay? So, we're going to move on down. This is how I function. I couldn't put stuff underneath because I have a real family. It's not just me. This isn't a show home. We have to utilize this stuff every day. So I wanted it to all match. I got rid of our old toaster and got a toaster that blended well with the stainless steel appliances that we have. And then moving on, you can always add greenery to any space to make it look a lot better. And my son tends to use it to hold up his cell phone and eat cereal, but that's another story. I also got this from TJ Maxx home goods store. I was gravitated towards it, or I went towards it because I saw that the base of it was white. I could have went for something that was oak. That still would have been fine. I could have went for something with a base that is silver, but I'm going to talk to you guys about how to put items together in another video. But the final thing I want to move on to is over here on my favorite space. And, you know, every home needs a hub. That's what I call this. You know, this is the hub of the home. I purchased these canisters from zgallerie. Yes, zgallerie. I believe the big one was originally $70, and the smallest one was, I want to say, $40. I ended up getting both for $20. They were both on sale for $23. How did I have that happen? I don't know, but I'm going to link it below for you so that you guys can take advantage of it. You can order online if you don't have a zgallerie in your area. And these were also from the at-home store. Yes, I bought these from the at-home store for $10 a piece. Instead of having your soap out and advertising Dawn or whatever dishwasher detergent that or dishwashing liquid you're using, it is awesome to put them inside of, they sell them at Marshall's. You can get them clear. I mean, when I thought they had white, I heard them put in my basket. I was like, oh girl, I got to have these. So, moving on. So, the final element of the home that I wanted to share with you guys is also from Kirkland's. I purchased these two paintings from Kirkland's. I love Kirkland's because they're so affordable. Now, these are identical paintings. They're not different, but the way I hung them up made them look different. I flipped one going the opposite direction, and it looks like I got two different paintings when I did it. And these were 65% off, so I got them for $30 a piece. Like, in my spirit, I just feel like I'm winning. There's no other way to say this. I'm just winning today. I really love my home so far. I feel like it's all coming together. I'm doing a little bit at a time, so you probably won't get another update for a while. But guys, I want you to know what was your favorite part of my home. What did you enjoy the most? What did you like the most? And I really can't wait to see you guys in another video. So make sure you hit that like, and the subscribe button to become a part of our family. You don't want to miss any of our videos. Until next time, I'll see you guys later.